Hi, here is how you easily remove nail glue. Step 1, take a container, and fill it with warm, soapy water. Immerse your fingernails for 15 minutes. It will help loosen the glue. Step 2, scrub your nails with a brush. Do it gently and do not pull. Step 3, dip your fingernails in the nail polish remover that contains acetone. Keep them for 5 minutes. Step 4, remove any glue bits left using a cotton swab. Step 5, apply some baby oil to rehydrate your nails. Hit like or subscribe to the channel if this video helped you. Let us know how you removed your nail glue in the comments below.